In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. You need to start by opening tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate or Portrait icon. If you see Auto Rotate 1, that means that Auto Rotation is on. You can switch it off by tapping on it. Now it's gray and it says Portrait. That means that your Auto Rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting Portrait icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!